Hello, Milwaukee. I'm 𝘙𝘦𝘴𝘦 with All Our Production, where we seek knowledge and share knowledge. Today we have with us is Carolyn Walker and Trey Walker, or Ray Walker, from Great Impression. Carolyn and Ray are putting together a kickball tournament. It's called the D9. Can one of you all explain what this exciting tournament is going to be about?
Absolutely. I'm glad you asked. So what's going on, Milwaukee? Just checking in from Great Impressions, representing Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated. We have a D9 kickball series coming up. First event starts on July 23rd, and really the idea behind this event was to connect with the community that's been supporting us over the last 25 years. And with that, our main initiatives behind this event are health, unity, and fun. It's really going to create like a block party type of feel, but heavy emphasis on fun. We're going to be having health screenings, a live DJ, food trucks, and a line dance instructor. So come on out, support us. If you or someone you know is a member of the D9, we encourage you to come out and participate. The games will be played by D9 members, and we're encouraging the public to come out and support and cheer us on.
Thank you. You know what? This is an exciting event. When Carolyn presented that flyer to me, I said, you got to come on the air to talk about this event, because what this reminds me of is a family reunion.
Exactly, yeah. Every
family reunion, I think we have a kickball tournament.
Mm-hmm.
It's either baseball or kickball. Kickball is a little bit easier than baseball to me.
That's why I said kickball. It's a little less intimidating. Most people can kick the ball. So I decided to go with the kickball, and it'd be inviting all the people of all ages to take part.
Now, you're with AKA, right?
Absolutely.
Greek and Trey.
Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated.
And y'all inviting all the sororities and fraternities to
participate, to play.
We're
Yes.
encouraging the public to come out, cheer us on, patronize the food trucks, take advantage of the health screenings, because again, the main initiatives are health, unity, and fun. So, with health in mind, we want to make sure people are getting their blood checked, and their cardio is good to go, and just making sure everyone is out there safe and having a good time.
And I asked Carolyn earlier, why did she develop this, or why did y'all develop it? And you said that you just appreciate the support that people have gave y'all, right?
Absolutely. It's been 25 years we've been in business, and just want to do something to bring us together and say thank you, and also just to bring us together. The Divine Nine is a wonderful group of people. So it's focused on us playing, but then we are also inviting the community out to take part in all the things that we have to offer that day.
And I like that, because Milwaukee needs some healing right now.
Absolutely. With so many different things, terrible things happening every day in Milwaukee. I want to shine a bright light on what's good.
Not only that, just to focus on maybe changing the narrative of what's going on.
Absolutely, yeah.
And we're working with you. I see you got some sponsors that are going to sponsor the event, and even more sponsors. I think it's going to be a great event. Where is it going to be held at?
The location is Madison Park. It's right on 100th and Hampton.
And if you don't information, we're going to have a link below.
Absolutely, yes. And we're encouraging all the Divine Nine who want to take part in participating in the ball games, in the kickball games, for them to go to our Google form and sign up, so we know how many players we're going to have for the different teams. And keep in mind, we're not going to separate the teams per Greek organization. We're going to mix it up. We want to have fun.
And what you want to try to create connection and unity.
Absolutely.
To show the community, I think, that we're trying to connect with you, and we want to change the narrative. Mm-hmm. And we never know what changed the narrative. A kickball will probably kick off the narrative to change this narrative around Milwaukee, and we appreciate what you all doing. Explain some other things that's going to be going on that day.
So again, imagine yourself at a block party, or as you mentioned, a family reunion. It's going to be unity. So again, food trucks will be out there, a live DJ spinning some good tunes, and health screenings for people that want to get their blood checked, and just make sure that everything's functioning while they're out there having a good time. And just literally having a good time, eating, and that's what's going on.
I like like that. Thank you. And again, we're gonna tell us how we can reach you, where they can contact you, everything. Give us all the information.
Yeah, we encourage you to follow us on our socials, be it Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. On those social pages, we have a link to the registration form. So any questions that you may have about this event, all up-to-date current information will be on our social platforms.
So we're asking first, because it's built around the D9. We're asking all as soon as possible, because when we give events, it's nice that people contact and make arrangements as soon as possible, because the planning is so much easier. So we're asking the D9 to contact Carolyn. She's reaching out to all the sororities and the community
And the fraternities.
and the fraternities, because you all are going to be playing the kickball.
We'll
right?
be playing, yes.
And the community going to be out cheering and
Cheering
watching.
us on.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, good. And I appreciate all of you all doing. I'm sure it's going to be a fun event. And this is 𝘙𝘦𝘴𝘦 with all our production, where we seek knowledge and share knowledge. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
For having us.